So the wild thing about that, they're not images; those are real pressed flowers. So it is real bugs and plants. The pressed flowers, some of them I do myself, some of them I do buy, but they are real. The bugs are real. I have several purveyors that I like to collect most of them myself. Like I find them in all kind of places. I keep a Tupperware in my purse for bugs.
Okay. Not weird that you keep dead bugs in your purse, but go on.
I mean, I empty the Tupperware out when I get home, but but yeah, like I pick up bugs and little seed pods and random stuff all over the place, like a little goblin.
Yeah.
But the ones that I do buy, I actually make sure that I buy from people that ethically source so that these organisms aren't being poached from their natural environment. That's super important to me.